Hello, I'm Tutor Nick. Welcome to lesson 14 in my series on the English language. In this lesson, we're going to concentrate on intonation, the way English sounds. Intonation describes how the voice rises and falls in speech. The three main patterns of intonation in English are falling intonation, rising intonation, and fall-rise intonation. In this lesson, I want you to just listen carefully to the sounds of speech. We will practice the different intonations in the next lesson. You may like to download or print the exercises that I've attached below. Listen to the three following conversations. First, listen for meaning. When you are happy that you understand what's being said, then listen to the sounds. Listen to it as if it were music. Try and identify the falls and the rises in the conversation. You may need to listen more than once.
So, Daniela, where are you from?
I'm from Italy.
Great. What do you do there?
I'm a nurse.
Really? And where do you live?
In Rome. It's the capital.
Nice to meet you, Joshua. So, where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, yes. What do you do there?
I'm a sales manager for a small computer company.
I see. And where do you live?
In Vancouver? It's a great place. You should visit sometime.
Hello, Shizuka. Are you from Thailand?
No, actually I'm from Japan.
Oh, sorry. What do you do there?
I'm a teacher. I teach science.
That's great. So, do you live in Tokyo?
Yes, that's right.
Listen to the three conversations more than once. Listen carefully for whether the voice goes up or goes down. Is there a difference in intonation between open questions and yes/no questions? We will look at this again in the next video. Bye-bye.